Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, you're very welcome. As you guys can tell by the title, today we're going to be doing the part 2 of me trying out some new products that I got from Amazon recently. So if you haven't seen the part 1, make sure you go check that out right now. It's actually already on my channel as we speak. So this is what we did on our last video. How do you guys think? It's really cute, right? So the first product we're going to be trying out today is this 4D UV gel. So these are solid gels. I got them on Amazon. So these are very solid, very sturdy, and we're going to be carving them today. So let's start with our base. So this is the base that I'm going to be going for. Let's get that painted. Now let's get the second layer on. I'm not sure what I'm going to be designing today or what I'm going to be doing with this nail today, but let's just see how it goes. So we've got that all cured. We've got 2 layers of this on. So to stick to the theme of red, I'm going to be using this red over here. Let's see how that goes. What am I going to carve? I don't know what to carve right now. So I'm going to take a tiny bit of this. Let me use this side. Not using a lot, very little, nothing crazy. I'm obviously going to be using my carving tools. Let's see what that looks like. Put that on here. I've also got some liquid. This is alcohol. Got that in a jar. I'm going to be carving out some flowers. Okay. This gel is a little bit firmer than expected, but this is what she looks like. Cure that for a few seconds. While I'm doing that, get some more, roll it into a ball, place that right next to it. Yeah, you don't want to use too much of this. Okay, this is looking good. Cure that. You don't really have to cure it every time, but personally, I want to do that. Just to be on the safe side. So I'm wiping my tool, although I'm dipping it into the alcohol. I'm wiping. If you feel like you're happy with it, leave it alone. Okay. And then I use this part to really get my shape together. Guys, I love this. I'm gonna place this right in the middle of the two petals. Okay. So now we've got our petal. We didn't do half as bad, right guys? Right? So I'm gonna be using my rhinestone glue by Makartt. You guys must have already seen this glue. My rhinestone glue there. Perfect. Pop that in there. And back to my caviar beads. Just one at a time. This glue is so forgiving. I really recommend it. Okay, we're gonna cure this. So my genuine opinion about this carving gel is 10 out of 10. I'm very happy with it. Actually, let me give it a 9 out of 10 because at some point, if you don't rub the gel together really well in terms of like in your hand, the gel starts to break, if that makes sense. It starts to tear. So you have to make sure that you warm it up in your hands and just get gel moving before you actually start carving. You don't want to use too much alcohol because it's going to start slipping and sliding. So be very mindful of your ratios. So now we're going to top coat everything. I know some people don't like to top coat their 3D flowers, but I really enjoy doing this. So sorry to those, but I'm going for a very shiny set today. I'm not going over my crystals, but I'm trying to stay on top of my bead. Okay, I'm gonna cure this. So this is what this nail looks like. Very nice for my first try on like layered 3D flowers. I believe as time goes by, I'll definitely get better. But this came out nice. This came out cute. I think, like I said, watch your ratios and how much you used each time. But I'm very happy I got these colors for my 3D gel because I genuinely can see myself carving anything with these, and there are so many colors. There's so many colors, and I'm sure you can mix them up and create whatever color you want using them. So 9 out of 10. I'm happy with them. So far, these 3 This is what they look like. I know it's giving different vibes for each nail, but they still match. They still match. So I stuck with like red and pink and silvers. So this is the airbrush tool that I'm using. Let me show you guys the packaging. This is what we're expecting, but mine is in black. It's not white. I was very surprised when I got it and it was black, and I was just like, okay. I was expecting a cute little white, but that's fine. This is the gun. And this is the pot head. Okay, we don't need anything else from here. Let's pop this on here. This is my airbrush machine. I've charged it up because I haven't done this in such a long time, so I'm not expecting much. I'm gonna use a tester nail first before even doing the actual nail. We're gonna unscrew this. Let me see if I can get a wider shot. The red today, and I'll be mixing that with this airbrush thinner. Guys, wish me luck. Okay. Wish me luck, y'all. Okay, we have to figure this out. I'm not giving up. I don't know. Okay. I think I'm getting the hang of this. Oh yes, y'all. You really have to be light-handed with this. Don't go too crazy. Very cute. We did it. We did it. Okay. I'm happy. Very, very happy. I can't wait to play with this. Like, I be seeing these nails on Instagram and they're aura nails and how cool it looks. And I'm like, I can't do that. I'm like, I can't do that. I've tried. It keeps messing me up. But we did it. And I've had this airbrush tool for so long and never really utilized it the way it should. So I'm very happy. Let me see if I can top coat this straight away, because it looks matte, right? If it doesn't, we'll wipe it off. So let's see. Can you guys see? Oh my god. Oh my word. Oh my goodness. We did airbrush nails. I don't think anyone can chat to me, really. Oh Superb. Superb. When I say superb, I mean superb. Look at this. Somebody can look at this. Come closer. Look at this. Look at this. You just, let me get rid of this mess so they don't see. Look at this. Just like, this is what I call happiness and peace. Okay, this is what I call happiness and peace. Because what? This is lit. I'm so happy. I don't think you understand. I'm literally in awe as to how well this worked. This is just... Each, you want some boring nails? I got you. I can do it. What? It's easy. It's easy peasy. Period. That's on Mary Had a Little Lamb. So, I'm gonna end this video because any more than this would just be overkill. Okay? So this is all the nails that we did using our new products that we picked up, because every product that I picked up, I had a particular idea in mind as to what I wanted to do with them. And this is how they look. How cute. This is a huge trend that's going on. This is a huge trend that's going on. You know, cluster nails are also a huge trend with the 3D chrome side thing, and 3D flowers as well are a huge trend. I've seen some really cool sunflowers using these molding gels. So, oh my god. Nice. Guys, we did it. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching the part 2 of this video. I'm so happy and so fulfilled that this turned out so well. The only product that didn't go so well for me was this 3D artistic gel foil. I think it's my foil that is giving me the headache, but I'm trying to think of what else I could use this gel for because of the consistency, but I can't think of anything right now. But this is her, this is she. This is all we did today. So thank you guys so much for watching. I do hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you haven't seen the part 1 as to how we created these 2 nails over here, make sure you go ahead and watch it after you've watched this one. But thank you so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Been stressed for so long.